Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you everyone? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morningshift. Dear students, today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 students. Dear students, our today's topic is chapter 7 and 8. Let's see today's topic from here. Our today's topic is chapter 7 and 8, and the name of this chapter 7 name is flowers, and the chapter 8 name is fruits and vegetables. And this is lecture number 7, and today's HW number is 6 number HW. So dear students, let's begin the class. You can see here is chapter 7, flowers. The name of this chapter is flowers, and this is your science book. This is page number 18. This chapter is page number 18. And the chapter 8 is in page number 90. So dear students, look at this page, open this page number 18. Here is, we can see the name of this chapter is flowers. Before read this chapter, we want to know, we have to know what is flowers. We will know about flowers. So what is flowers? Flowers are the most bright and colorful part of plant. Different plants give rise to flowers of various shapes, size and color. A flower is a special kind of plant part. Flower have petal. You can see this flower here, so many colorful petal they have. So here is the chapter about flowers. See the different kinds of flowers. Read out their name. Let's read out their names. Here is first one is the picture of a flower. This is called rose. And this is a nice flower. We like these flowers, and this the spelling of this rose is R-O-S-E, rose, and we can see this rose colors is red color. And students, when I am telling this spelling of the word, then you can spell with me. Let's spell this word again. Rose, R-O-S-E, rose. Now here is another picture of a flower, and this is called marigold. Marigold, and we can see this flower's color is quite orange color, and the spelling of marigold is M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. Now next one here is sunflower. This picture is sunflower. Sunflower, the color of this flower is yellow. We can see here is this flower color is here yellow. Let's spell sunflower. Sunflower, S-U-N, sun, F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower, sunflower. And here is the another flower. This is nice flower also, and the name of this flower is pansy. And the spell of this word is pansy, P-A-N-S-Y, pansy. And this one is, we know this flower called water lily. This is water lily, and this is the national flower of our country, water lily. And we can see here is Panchi. This flower color is yellow inside it, and this flower water lily, we can see here is pink and white mixed color here. And let's spell water lily. Water lily, W-A-T-E-R, water lily, L-I-L-Y, lily, water lily. Now here is the another picture of flower. This one is tulip. This one is tulip. Let's spell this word, T-U-L-I-P, T-U-L-I-P, tulip. And we can see here is the color of this flower is red color. Their color is here red color. Now students, we will read the next chapter, and this is the page number 19, and the name of this chapter is fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables grow on plants. Fruits are juicy to eat. Let's write here juicy, this word. Fruits are juicy to eat. And we can see here so many picture of fruits. So at first we have to know about fruits. A fruit is a part of a plant that develops from the flower. The fruit contains the seed of the plant. It covers and protects the seeds. We eat fruits. Fruit have seeds inside it. We know that already. And here is the, we can see here is the first picture is an apple. This is a picture of apple. Apple spelling is A-P-P-L-E, apple. And now next one here is some picture of mango. Mango spelling is M-A-N-G-O, mango. And this is banana, and here is the spelling of banana is B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. And this one, next one is here orange. Orange spelling is O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Next one here is the picture of fruit pear, P-E-A-R, pear. And now next one is grape. Grape spelling is G-R-A-P-E, grape. Next one here is cherry. Cherry. Cherry spelling is C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. Now here is the picture of lemon. Lemon spelling is L-E-M-O-N, lemon. And next one here is guava, G-U-A-V-A, guava. And then now go to the next page. This is page number 20, and here is vegetables. Vegetables, we cook vegetables and eat them. And we can see here so many vegetables here. First one here is potato. Potato spelling is P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. And next one here is tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. And next one is here is onion. Onion spelling O-N-I-O-N, onion. And next here is pea. Pea spelling is P-E-A, pea. And here is cabbage. Cabbage spelling is C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. And here is pumpkin. Pumpkin spelling is P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin. And next one here is bean. Here is bean. Bean spelling B-E-A-N, bean. And next one here is carrot. Carrot spelling is C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. And next one here is ginger. Ginger spelling is G-I-N-G-E-R, ginger. Now students, we will do some exercises. Here is some exercises. We can see first one here is true false. Let's do this. One number true false here is a leaf uses the sun to make food. Yes, this statement is true. Then we will write here only T. If this statement is true, then we will write true. And in your exam you have to write only T, that means true. A leaf a leaf uses the sun to make food. This statement is true, so we have written here T, that means true. 2 number point, the color of sunflower is red. No, we have seen that the color of sunflower is yellow here. That means this statement is not true. We will write false. In your exam you have to write only A for false. Now next exercise here is one word answer. One word answer. Question here is, what is the colorful part of a plant called? Answer is flower. Answer is flower. Flower spelling is F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. And next exercise here is question and answer. And the question is, I am writing here the question. Question is here. Here is only one question. Where do the fruits and vegetables grow? The question is here, where do the fruits and vegetables grow? Answer is, fruits and vegetables grow on plants. Fruits and vegetables grow on plants. I am telling the question and answer again. Here is only one question from here. Where do the fruits and vegetables grow? Answer is, fruits and vegetables grow on plants. Okay dear students, I have finished today's topic. Now I will give you HW. You have to do some HW. Our today's HW number is 6 number HW. And your HW will be, here is one word answer and question answer. One word answer and question answer. Here is only one word answer. It will be your HW, and you have to do this question answer also. Only one question answer. I am telling this HW again. This is 6 number HW, and your HW will be one word answer. Only one word answer here, and only one question answer here, and this question answer and one word answer will be your HW. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your SN HW in your HW copy, and submit your HW on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then.